In this screencast, I'm going to show you about how to use the databases that are available to us via the Rutgers University Library. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to libraries.rutgers.edu, and you will get this home page here. So the quick search is very prominent, and you can immediately start searching if you put in an author's name, for example, and click enter. You're going to get results, and these are all very familiar to us. I think this is great, and you can filter over on the left here. You can see this filter my results. So I usually like to limit to available online and peer reviewed because I'm an online student and I'm also looking for some sort of credibility assessment. So I want to know that they come from peer reviewed journals. But let's say that instead of searching for articles, I want to search what's in our databases. So if you go back to the home page like I did, I used the back button there. I'm back at libraries.rutgers.edu. You can see here under resources that you can search individual databases. So if we select this, you can see that we have got access to tons of different databases via the library. It's very cool. So one database that we might use a lot is under L. We've got the Library and Information Science abstracts, and we've also got the Library Science and Technology abstracts. So I'm going to go into LISTA, the Library Information Science and Technology abstracts. And you can see here we're going to have to connect. So because I am an online student, I'm not on campus and I'm going to need to connect. But if you were on campus, presumably you would be automatically connected. And you can also see some other requirements on this page. So let's go ahead and connect. And luckily, although you'll see my net ID, my password, oh, you don't. That's great. It skips over it. So one of the things that I really like about searching the databases is that you immediately get into this kind of advanced search place. So I can look up Pettigrew, see if she has any articles, and if I want to, I can also search for key terms in the abstract. So I'm going to search for health. I want to know if Pettigrew has written any articles about information behavior and health. So this is great. I'm seeing that I am getting some results here. I get 2 results, and I can go ahead and click on these and read the abstract. And one really good thing to know is that we may or may not have access to this individual article via Rutgers Library, but you can go ahead and check it out by looking at this, get it at Rutgers. So that's really neat. When you click on that, it goes ahead and searches the Rutgers Library database again and goes ahead and gives you the result. So you can see this one does happen to be available online, so we can click on PubMed Central. And from there, we can get the full article. So that is just a really neat feature of the library that I used when I was working on a research paper for another class that I wanted to share with you. Thanks. Bye.